Hello and welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be reviewing the Olight I5R EOS EDC flashlight. This flashlight comes with a 14500 rechargeable battery that is recharged by Type-C, and let's get started in this review. Now this light has two modes, one click for a nice 50 lumens here, and that 15 lumens is good for everyday tasks. And if you double click like this, you get a bright 350 lumens. The UI is great and has a permanent on with a full click and a momentary on with the half press. I feel that it's easier to momentary on and quickly cycle to the 350 lumen mode, just like this, instead of fully pressing. This light is rated for IPX8 water resistance, and if you unscrew the tail cap here, comes with an O-ring right there, so it's nice and waterproof. And inside there seems to be an AA, except it's not. It's a 2.4 volt 1420 milliamp hour battery. Here, as you can see, there is a USB Type-C charging port, so when you want to charge it, you can just plug it in right there. The runtimes for the i5R are really good, and I've only charged this a few times since when I got it about 2 months ago. On the 15 lumen mode, it has an insane runtime and will last for basically any time. On the 350 lumen output, there is only a 10-minute runtime. However, it's still good for a light this small. Another benefit of a 14500 light is that it is capable of also using a AA battery in case you can't charge your battery in here. You don't get as high runtimes and as high lumen output, however, it's still a very good light like that. The light is made with strong aluminum and has a two-way pocket clip right here. It's nice and firm and it'll keep it in place. This is a very simple light and it has a great UI and good power output. Now let's take it outside to see how bright it is. Here is a tree and I'm going to go to the low mode. Surprisingly bright, honestly. Go up and see that, and that other tree there is pretty far away. Still good with that low mode. Next up, the high mode. Wow. It is a little darker in person. The camera is just making it brighter. Here is without, and here is with. Wow. From this little thing, that is a lot. No flashlight with the flashlight.